welcome back to my channel. In today's 2-minute review, I'm going to be talking about the Matcha Toner by Milk Makeup. I've been using this for a very long time now. You can actually see that the product has diminished all here. I'm almost done actually, so I feel like I have enough use out of this product to let you guys know what I think about it. I have never used a toner before using this product. I never understood why people use them. I never found a use for them. When I fell in love with their watermelon serum stick, I knew that I needed to try more of these products in the line because that one was just really amazing and really hydrating for me, so I thought that I should try the toner next. I'm going to compare the two for a little bit and just for a quick second. This one seems to be a thinner consistency and it doesn't tug as much on the skin. I find that the serum is a little bit of a thicker balm, and even though it doesn't tug, it is a little bit harder to kind of work into your skin and warm up, whereas this one is automatically really easy to just slide on. This is how easy it is and how smooth it is to apply. It doesn't tug on any areas and it's just really cooling. I love this product. So basically what a toner does for me is it tones down the redness and it gets my skin ready for the rest of the products I'm going to be putting on my face, and it'll just make it look like an even skin tone. I usually apply this after my cleanser and after my chemical exfoliator if I apply one that night, and then I will put on my moisturizer and my oils afterwards. So I'm really loving this product and I probably will repurchase it because the packaging just makes it really easy to travel with. Quickly, I'm just going to touch on the Milk Makeup Matcha Cleanser because these two kind of go hand in hand. But I want to mention that I did not like this cleanser. I got it because, again, it's really easy to travel with, and I thought that having this would be easier than having a little bottle of my regular cleanser. But I didn't end up liking the consistency of it. It kind of felt a little bit soapy on my face, and what I thought were exfoliating particles don't really do much. I just apply this and circle this on my skin, and even though it's really easy to use, it doesn't do anything for my skin. It makes it feel a little bit tight. And I just wasn't a huge fan of this. As you can see, I've like barely used anything. So to wrap it all up, if you guys are going to try out the Milk Makeup skincare products, I highly recommend getting the Matcha Toner first. And if you like this product, then I would go into the watermelon serum and then maybe using those two together, putting this one on first and then this serum afterwards, because it is a little bit thicker. So that wraps up this 2-minute review this week on the Milk Makeup Matcha Toner, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below what product you guys want me to review next, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!